Let's start. The project name is Recyclerview Staggered Layout. Let's see the project structure. Here we have the main activity, a model class, and an adapter class. And in the UI, we have activity_main.xml, which is the layout of the main activity, and a row_item.xml file, which defines the layout of the recycler view. Let's see the UI. Here we have the recycler view. The height and width of the recycler view match the parent. Let's see the code. The constraint layout is the root layout. And this is the recycler view. In the row_item.xml file, we have a text view inside a card view. Let's see the code. The card view layout is the root layout. This is the constraint layout. And this is the text view. Let's see the Java code now. This is the model class, with a string variable name as the data member. This name variable will be shown in each row of the recycler view. These are the imports. This is my adapter class. These are the data members, which contain an array list of the model class type. This is the constructor. In the onCreateViewHolder function, we inflate the row_item.xml file, and pass the view into the viewholder class. In the bindViewHolder function, we fetch the data from the model class, one by one, and show it in the text view. In the getItemCount function, we calculate the total number of rows in the recycler view. This is the viewholder class. These are the data members of the class. In the constructor, we set the onClickListener of the row. So when a row of the recycler view is clicked, we show its name in a toast. These are the imports. This is the main activity. These are the data members. Here we have an array list of the model class type, and an array of strings, which we will use to fill the recycler view data. In the getData function, we fetch the data from the array, and put it inside the array list, as a recycler view needs the data in array list format. In the onCreate function, we have created an object of my adapter class, and passed the array list data in it, using the getData function. Then we create an object of the Staggered Layout Manager class. The span count is set to 2. And the orientation is set to vertical. Then we set the layout of the recycler view as staggered. And finally, we set the adapter object into our recycler view. Let's run the app. As you can see, the layout of the recycler view is staggered. So that's it. That's how you can implement a staggered layout recycler view in Java Android. Thanks for watching.